Welcome back, Rocky Ridge TV. I'm back here with another video today. And before we get started in today's video, if you haven't already, please go down and subscribe to the channel and leave a like on the video. Okay, so in today's video, we're going to talk about the fishing rod rack that I have in the back of my Jeep Grand Cherokee. It's a 2000. I was looking online for some ideas to mount my fishing rods in the car, and it's kind of hard to fit them in this because it's not very long. So I found this fishing rod rack on Amazon, and I'm going to have this part link in the bio of this video, so go ahead and check it out if you're interested in purchasing this fishing rod rack. Use the link in the bio. As you can see here, I just have 4 rods, and the rod lengths vary from like trout size rods the whole way up to a 7-foot rod, and it fits in there with plenty of room. You could even get a longer rod in there. And to start off with the mounting process of this, I'm going to go to the front strap. And the front strap in the Jeep Grand Cherokee is pretty self-explanatory. I just used the 2 grab handles there, strapped it to it. And then the back part, it was a little more tricky. And it was tricky because I tried to use the suction cup method that you'll probably see on Amazon if you check it out. And the glass is curved in this, so they don't really stick to it. And I was thinking about how I wanted to mount it. And in the Jeep, there's these little cargo tie down hooks on it, and there's ones here on each side, and then there's also one right there. And what I did is I took those 2 out and just put a screw back in it, and I used those straps, and what I did is I tied them into the roof there. And what I did is drop the headliner, get a drill out, drill through the there's like a sub floor of the roof, so you're not drilling through the top of the roof, you're not putting a hole in your roof, you're drilling through like the structure, which it doesn't hurt it at all. I put the bolt through it and bolted it on. It's pretty easy to take the headliner down. You just pop this light out here, and then you pop this panel off. It's just clipped in there. You just pull it out. And then this one also just clips out here. You just pull it right out. There's no screws or nothing involved there. If you take this top piece of trim out, the side piece here, and then that side piece there, you can drop the headliner enough to get that bolt up in there. And I just used the bolt washer and a nut, fastened it on there, and then I was able to put this back strap on there. And I really like this setup. It keeps the rods up and out of the way. I have them in here all the time, and it doesn't really get in the way of the passengers or anything. And there's one more slot left in this. You can go ahead and check out different ones too if you want. But if you're interested in this product, definitely go check it out on Amazon. I'm gonna have the link in the bio again. And if you liked this video and you thought that it helped you out, please go down and like the video as well, and drop a comment. Let me know if there's anything you would change about this, or if you had any better ideas for your car. I mean, this would work in pretty much any SUV, so go ahead, give it a like. Thanks for watching.